Good evening, punters. Special request on setting heating curves. Now, I hardly ever touch this boiler and it's an older model, so let me see if I can remember how to do it. Heating curve, here we go. Okay, so when we look at the screen here, we have two adjustments, slope and level. The slope will sit around the same foot point. Now we're set to 1.3, and the level will shift the entire slope down. Can't remember where that's set now. Right, okay. When you adjust temperature for the system, the target temperature, actually what you're doing is adjusting level. So if I was to turn down the temperature, I would simply be shifting the entire slope, as so. This isn't easy through a camera. There you go. Right, okay, got there. And that's about all that can change on there. So if I go back into the temperatures I can set here, reduce temperature. So we can set a room temperature. So this is the temperature, the on temperature if you like. And we can set a reduced temperature. So we could have different times of the day, several times a day, where we go between the reduced temperature and the other temperature. And on the later models, you can actually have three temperatures. So you get a comfort, you get a comfort temperature, and the off temperature, like setback temperature, and the normal temperature. So you could have three different temperatures that you can set to multiple times of a day. And simply when it's adjusting that temperature, so when we say 18, we're just going to drop it a few points on here. And when it goes back up to 21, it's basically going up on the level, but the slope always remains the same. So the slope represents the relationship between the internal temperature and the external temperature. And if you want it to be a lower temperature, we just lower the slope. So I hope that explains it, and I hope it's understandable. And yeah, hope that helps.